Hello kids! Let's do the chapter Nina and the Baby Sparrows. There was a great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. "What color would you like?" Mother asked. "I don't want a new dress, Mother," said Nina. "Salwar kameez then?" Nina shook her head. "What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week?" "I don't want those either, thank you, Mother." Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, Mother came and sat near Nina. "What is it, child?" she asked. "Why did you say no to everything?" "Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding." "But why?" Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. "Don't cry, my pet," she said. "Why don't you tell me what's bothering you?" More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. "Mother," she said, "there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest." "I see," said Mother. "They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep, cheep, asking for food." "I see," said Mother. "If we go, the whole place will be locked, and how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies?" "Oh, Nina," cried Mother, giving her a big hug. "Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open." "Oh, can we, Mother? Can we? Really?" Yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too." Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? So kids, this was the beautiful story. And in this, we have learned some new words like market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, wedding, lovely and plump. Let's do its question and answers. Question number 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? The answer is, there was Nina's aunt who was getting married. Next question is, why was Nina worried? And the answer is, Nina was worried for the sparrow nest because if they all go out, how Papa and Mama sparrows will feed their baby sparrows. Next question. What did Mother suggest? So the answer is, Nina's mother suggested that they will leave the window open for sparrows so that Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely and can feed their babies easily. Next question. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Answer is, when Nina came back from wedding, she finds two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And the next question, talk time. How do baby sparrows eat? So kids, answer is, baby sparrows eat from their beaks like any other bird, and they are fed by their parents like mama and papa sparrows. Okay. Next question is, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear. So kids, this is an activity question, so you have to do it on your own. Next is a picture story. Number the jumble picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. So kids, now you know the story. So this is an activity question and I want that you do this on your own. Let's take word building. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the words from the list given below. There are few words in the box given: beautiful, black, red, happy, tall and fat. You can see few pictures also there and there are few blanks. So for example, in a book it's there a lady is here, so you can write a dash woman. So what do you have to fill in this blank? Yes, this she looks like fat, so we will write a fat woman. Next is a rose. A dash rose. What is in the box? Yes, red. A red rose. Rose is also in red color. So we will write a red rose. Next is a dash boy. So see in the box, it is there. Boy looks happy and happy is the word there. So put that word here and write a happy boy. Next is peacock. You can see it is a beautiful peacock. Peacock is our national bird also. So what is the suitable word here? Yes, a beautiful peacock. Next is a boat. Black boat you can see. Yes, so the answer is a black boat. A man you can see. He looks tall. So a tall man. Right? So here we complete this chapter with its question and answers. Hope you understand it well. I will meet you in my next video with a new chapter. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.